To our Mac students, both freshers and continuing students, we have realized some of you keep asking questions like, how do I start to create my email account? Where do I go? Now, you need basic ICT skills, and you need to ensure that you make Google your friend. Okay, so you can open up your web browser. A web browser is the one which allows you to go and use links on the internet. For example, I have Safari here and I have Firefox. You could have Google Chrome that is installed, or any other like Microsoft Edge. So make good use of Google. For example, google.com. I want to search, say, how to create a Makerere email address. Student email address. Most of these links will come up because we have these articles on our knowledge base, answers.mac.ac.ug. So the guidelines are here. Okay, guidelines are there. Basic skills like this will save you. We also have videos. You can see videos are here on our YouTube channel. So if I opened up one, it will take me to a video and I can be able to play it.
Dear student, I would like to take you through
So make use of Google. I might want to know how to activate my Makerere student account. My student portal. How to activate Makerere student portal. Google will even bring up suggestions. So for Makerere, you're going to see a video here. Okay, you're going to see a video here, and guidelines are there. Is this? We have guidelines everywhere. Okay, we have the video guidelines there. Everything is there. So you shouldn't get stuck. Don't get stuck at all. If you want to do password recovery as well, just go through the same. You go to sso.mac.ac.ug. That's for the email. So try and use Google search and make good use of it. You might want to know how to generate a PRN. University. Okay. Guidelines are here. Via mobile money, guidelines are here. Our websites have all these guidelines. So you just click the link, and also there are videos. YouTube, you'll be able to go to YouTube and get everything you need. The guidelines are there. So don't get stuck. Don't get stuck.
Wait!
Feel free to reach us via Twitter.
Yes,
we
students.
are there. If you're looking for a Twitter handle, it's Makerere. You can also search for that, and it will come up. You can see some of the things we post, and follow us. We're online. Use Google. Make Google your friend. Thank you.